In our DVR line, you're going to find a smaller 2-inch screen version. This one's a little simpler. It gets the job done very well. On the front of it, we've got a full HD 1080p camera, 2-inch screen for viewing your videos on the back side. Comes with a stick-on mount as well as a suction cup mount. Attaches right to the front. It's also magnetic, so you can remove it easily once you stick this on in a vehicle that you have right there. Cigarette lighter plug-in is all you need for power. You get a 1 amp and 2.4 amp fast charging USB outlet on the back of it, so you can still plug in your phone. And of course, you've got Wi-Fi Connect to the app, just like with any other DVR that we supply.